I'm Kim Cushing, and I'm the Regional Market Development Manager in EMEA at Thermo Fisher Scientific for high content screening platforms. Today I'm at SLAS in Dublin, and it's my pleasure to introduce Nicholas Radio, our Product Manager for high content screening platforms.
Thanks for the warm introduction, Kim. I'm delighted to be at SLAS Europe to introduce our newest family member, the Thermo Scientific CellInsight CX7 LZR Pro platform. This is the system that's been designed for high content screening. We have new optics that are validated for accelerated screening, as well as a best-in-class scientific CMOS camera that was designed for high throughput.
That sounds impressive. So perhaps you could start with telling us about how you set up the system to perform high content screening.
I'd be happy to. So first we need to set up a protocol for both the imaging and the analysis. This is done through our HCS Studio software, where we establish a protocol so that the system knows how to automatically image and then quantify those images using HCS Studio. The software offers over 40 bioapplications that include autophagy, transfection efficiency, and now our new cell painting bioapplication to make high content screening easier than ever.
Cell painting, I know that's a really popular application. So you mentioned real-time analysis. Could you tell us how that's possible?
Yeah, so once we create the protocol, the cells are both imaged and analyzed simultaneously. That's what we mean by real-time analysis. And it provides us the ability to provide data as fast as possible.
I see. So instead of sequentially imaging the plate and then analyzing, the two are performed simultaneously, and that's what gives us fast drug discovery.
Yes, exactly. It's all about time to data. So to enable this, the CX7 LZR Pro features a best-in-class scientific CMOS camera that features a 95% quantum efficiency. This translates to better imaging quality as well as much lower exposure times, and that accelerates our screen times. So let me give you a couple of examples. We can run a target activation 4-channel screen with laser autofocus in wide field mode, and that screen time to data would take under 3 minutes. We can do the same sample, but using a NIPCAL spinning disc confocal with a 70 micron pinhole to remove the out-of-plane light. That scan using all confocal and 4 channels can be conducted in under 5 minutes.
So that sounds really impressive. Well, what if you wanted to image spheroids? I know they can sometimes be tricky to image. Just finding them in the well can be quite time-consuming.
Yeah, for sure. Spheroids, especially for screeners, have conventionally been very challenging. So to help enable this, we developed a new Eureka Scan Finder double pass functionality within our HCS Studio software. The Eureka Scan Finder is essentially a seek and find functionality, where using a low magnification objective with a larger field of view, we can identify the XYZ coordinates of that spheroid, and then pass those coordinates automatically to a higher magnification scan. This enables automated screening of higher resolution images for those needing it for 3D biologies.
So what about throughput? How easy is it to automate the system if you need to increase your throughput?
Yeah, throughput, especially for our customers at SLAS, is really important. So to help enable that, we've partnered up with our colleagues at Lab Automation to offer the Thermo Scientific Orbiter RS2 plate loader. This is a robotic arm that has an 80-plate capability. So for those customers needing 80-plate screens at one pass, we can enable that with the Orbiter RS2 plate loader.
So automation sounds straightforward. What if you want to image live cells?
Yeah, so for live cell imaging, we offer an optional Invitrogen live cell chamber. This incorporates directly into the CellInsight CX7 LZR Pro, and it enables our customers to control the temperature, CO2, humidity, and hypoxic conditions inside of the instrument. So for those customers needing kinetic live cell work, we can do that directly with the Invitrogen onstage incubator and the HCS Studio software.
So it sounds like the CellInsight CX7 LZR Pro has the potential to be a really powerful tool in the drug discovery lab. I'm really excited about this new member of our high content screening platform. Thanks for your time today, Nick, and enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thanks, Jeff.